It's February 2019, and this is 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. This is my third Grand Cherokee I've had. I love them. I've had a Land Rover, I've had Jeep Wrangler, and this is my favorite of all time right here. The vehicle is luxury inside and out. Gives a great ride, and it is a four-wheel drive machine. I've got it in snow mode right now, and this vehicle is fairly new to me right now actually, so I'm just trying to go out and kind of test things. I did take this down in a little ravine earlier, and I did notice that the snow mode, it definitely takes your RPMs down to try to gain traction, but sometimes when you're trying to get up over that hill, you kind of need some of those RPMs to keep that momentum going to get over, and it can kind of kill that. So I did try it in mud mode and was able to power on up out of there a little bit easier in a couple different scenarios. I did okay in the snow mode climbing, and it does great in snow mode and this type of driving. I'm in Kansas right now. This is Topeka, Kansas, and a little bit of a blizzard, and just thought I'd show you a little bit about what I'm doing. Had a long day today, and I'm a grown-ass man, but I'm still like a little kid when it comes to going out and playing in this kind of stuff. So without going out in the country, it's kind of hard to find some good hills to climb, although these are actually big hills over here. I'm sure it's hard to tell on the video, but the Jeep gets around great. It's does have the air adjustable suspension too, 3 different settings. Right now I've got on the low setting. And of course he would come by, put somebody in a little car to make it look easy. Some pretty big hills right here. We're getting ready to go down and up again. I believe we're supposed to get 6 to 8 inches tonight. It's not really too much snow for around here. Got one real steep hill there blocked off. See how slippery it is there. Anti-locks. Slows down quick. just have regular radials on this. Eventually I hope to put on at least some ATs. There's the cop. These Summit editions do have this is kind of a chocolate brown in here. Just, you know, gorgeous leather seats, real soft and supple. Steering wheel wrapped in soft leather too, and heated. Seats are heated and cooled. Just really nothing not to like about this car. The whole headliner, everything is wrapped and suede, the top half of it. Jeep Wrangler passing me there. Yeah, somebody had done a donut back there. No hesitation. I think that guy up ahead of me is the one doing the donuts. Saw him earlier. Guy on a four-wheel drive truck. This hill right here is real steep, going down and coming back up over on the other end. So some of these driveways in here are crazy. This particular version, the Summit 2, it also has dual DVD players on the back and HDMI plugins, and I guess there are RCIA jacks for all that, so you can hook up game systems if you want to play it from there. It also plays the videos on this head screen up here too. Not while you're driving, but anytime you're parked you can watch it full screen. It's pretty cool. Speaker system in here is incredible. Sounds like you're in a movie theater when you have the DVD going. That's it.